Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You are at home now, but you need to take preparation to complete the given syllabus provided by Shiasgunj Power Development Board Secondary School. So our school has taken a necessary steps to continue your studies, and so going to online class. First of all, welcome to my class. I am going to introduce you Mohammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shiasgunj Power Development Board Secondary School. Today, I will take class on English, class 9, 10, subject English for today, Unit 7, Lesson 5. Look at the picture and think about it. Do you know this woman? Yes, I know. Can you tell who is she? She is Mother Teresa. What is she doing? She is talking with the poor. Look at the picture and think about it. What is she wearing? The answer is she is wearing a white and blue bordered sari. What is she doing? She is holding a child in her arms. Number 3 question. What does the picture express? The answer is the picture expresses the love for humanity. So, dear student, can you guess what will be our today's lesson? So, our today's lesson is love for humanity. Learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to talk about the picture, read the pages, find true or false information, ask and answer question, choose the correct answer, write about a man of humanity. Dear student, you need to know some unknown words. So some unknown words. First of all, destitute, adjective form. It means helpless. Making sentence is because of river erosion, Mr. Rahman has become destitute. Pure heart. The feelings of the man is pure heart. The Meaning of the vocabulary is sacred mind. Making sentence is, but he has a pure heart. Unloved is the adjective form, and the meaning of the vocabulary is neglected. Making sentence is, she loved those who are unloved. None, noun form. A Christian religious woman. A nun is a religious person. So, dear student, you have been known some unknown words and you have given the pages. Let's read the pages. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Calcutta. She founded a home for the dying, destitute, and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. She and her fellow nuns brought the dying people of the streets of Calcutta to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, many men, women, and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family, we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families? Or do we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world, and she received a number of awards. These include the People John 23 Peace Prize 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding 1972, the Balzan Prize 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize 1979, and the Bharat Ratna 1980. Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5 September 1997. The world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support, irrespective of creed, caste, and religion. The picture of Mother Teresa draped in a white and blue bordered saree with a wrinkled face, ever soft eyes, and a saintly smile lives on in our mind. Is it clear? So, dear student, you have known about the phases and you have been given to choose the correct answer from the alternatives. First, the word moved refers to question. Option number 1, touched; 2, placed; 3, replaced; 4, traveled. The answer is trust. Number B, she received the Nobel Peace Prize for number 1, serving humanity, dying people, destitute. Number 4, wall. The answer is serving humanity. Number C, she founded a home for the destitute named Divine Love, the destitute, Nirmal Hriday. Number 4, Christian missionary. The answer is Nirmal Hriday. Number D, she and her followers gathered. Number 1, patients, the destitute. Number 2, number 3, the beggars. Number 4, the dying people of the streets of Calcutta. The answer is the dying people of the streets of Calcutta. Dear student, now we are going to discuss some question and answer the following question. Number 1, what does Nirmal Hriday stand for? Answer, Nirmal Hriday stands for pure heart. Number 2, why do you think Mother Teresa won so many awards? Answer, Mother Teresa won many awards because of her contribution for peace and humanism. Number 3, what are the things that we learn from Mother Teresa? Answer is, the things that we have learned from Mother Teresa are the love for humanity, how to serve the destitute, tendency to work without any interest, etc. Number 4, what did Mother Teresa say about family? Answer, Mother Teresa said that family is an institution and love begins from there. Dear student, read the pages again and say whether the statement is true or false. Number 1, Mother Teresa was moved to see the diseases that spread in the streets of Calcutta. Please. Sure. With the answer is true. Number 2, he opened a home for the orphans. False. He opened a home for dying and destitute peoples. Number 3, Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organization. Answer is false. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through family. I am going to evaluate the pages. So read the text and fill in each gap. Mother Teresa is still alive in our dash. Though she expired a long ago, she spent her entire life for the dash of the people, poor people. She has taught us that helping the needy is the greatest work that a man can do. She lived a very poor life. Dash the poorest, dash all pleasures and comfort. She loved all people irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. That's why she has become dash to all people of the world. Dear student, try to answer and then I will give you answer. First answer, A number, mind. Mother Teresa is still alive in our mind. Though she expired long ago, she spent her entire life for the welfare of the poor people. She has taught us that helping the needy is the greatest work that a man can do. She lived a very poor life among the poorest, sacrificing all pleasure and comfort. She loved all people irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. That's why she has become familiar to all people of the world. Dear student, so the pages about love for humanity has been discussion for you, and you have also known about it as the contribution of Mother Teresa in her life. So I am going to give you a homework. Write 10 sentences about a man of your locality who works for humanity. Wishing the best luck for everybody. See you again. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.